Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Charles once again. Thought I would show you some of my military goggles that I have. So, where should I start? Let's go with the smallest one. So, these things are advertised as like German tankers goggles, or no, dust goggles. So obviously this thing comes in a nice thin little pouch. These are folding goggles, and you can see here they are tinted, and the way that these things work, they just open up like that. So let's put them on. Okay, and you know, I can see great straight ahead. Now you've got these seams right here where it folds, and so my peripheral, that kind of, if I'm looking over to the left and right, I can see that kind of right in the middle, but straight ahead it's pretty flat. The main reason I got these is I just throw them inside of my my Swiss MO93 the bike. So in case I forget my sunglasses and I need some kind of glare, or you know, maybe if it's windy or something like that, this will help keep dust out and things like that, and also protect me a little bit from the sun. But that's the main reason I got these, and I think they cost around $5 a piece or something like that. I got like 3 of them. Anyway, I don't think it's that fashionable, but it can be useful. So let's go to the next one. Alright, so this is 10th Mountain, or the Army's 10th Mountain. I can't even say the fucking name now. Anyway, you know, basically, these are just mountain goggles. They have an acetate lenses inside of here. There's even at least one replacement inside of this pouch. This pouch is separating on here. It's got like that naga hide or whatever. And is it stamped? Yeah, this says 1951 US. You can see here they've got kind of like this fake fur around here, as well as, looks like it's, I can't tell, no, that's like a pleather basically here. You know, it looks kind of like leather, but obviously it's not. They've got cloth around here. Alright, and so you know, it's obviously not a fashion type of goggle, because you do have these things around here that you can really see, but it seems like it'd be effective, you know, if I was up in the mountains in the sun or something like that. I think these things would be great, and considering these things are almost 70 years old, I think they're in great condition. I found these on eBay, I think, for about maybe $15 or something like that. Yeah, since I bought that, I bought that first ruck from the Army, I decided I wanted to try to find some accessories to tie in with it, and I found these on there for the 10th Mountain Division. Anyway, let's see what you guys think of that. It's elastic on here. Yeah, I think these things could be useful. It's kind of more of a novelty, but I might actually use these sometime. Not sure. I do go hiking out into the mountains around Seattle, so in the Cascade Mountains, and so I might actually have use of these sometime. Alright, the last one that I have is from ESS, And this one is the one with the fan. I don't remember the exact model number. This was a surplus one. I got them for around $75. If you get brand new ones, these things are gonna run about $175 or so. What I've seen, at least lately. Maybe the prices have gone down. I guess the benefit of the brand new ones, these ones were used or maybe issued or something like that. But basically, I don't have the other lens, so I guess they come with a clear and as well as a shaded. But it's nice. So it does have two different settings on here. So when you push this button, the first one starts it, and then they have a high. They also have a higher end, so you can kind of hear a little bit of buzzing when it's on high. When it's on low, it's pretty dang quiet. Like I can barely hear it. So let's take a look at these. So this thing, it actually seals pretty well. I'm not saying it's making a fashion statement, except for maybe ugly. I'm already ugly, so it doesn't matter. But I guess I wish I would have had these when I used to ski, like 30 years ago. This would have been very useful at that time. I'm always looking at eBay for specials on stuff, and just, I don't know. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I saw these on there and said, wow, great. Maybe if I want to go skiing or, someplace where I might need something where they don't get fogged over inside of here. I don't do airsoft or anything like that, so I guess these are great for airsoft if you do that, because with this fan that's inside of here, it's gonna basically keep it fog free. Let's take a little bit closer look. So you can see here it just has like a foam on the front. I better turn this thing off. Then it has like a foam around the top and bottom of the goggles. I was thinking I might wear these possibly for like COVID-19 or something if I go to work or something. It might look a little too weird, but that's what I got. If you guys have any questions on this stuff or comments, I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching. And oh, you know what? I just did get my results. So I did have the CCP virus test. Came back negative. And that's part of why I was locked up in my son's room for the last, 5 days. Now I'm out of the room. I'm not in isolation. Woohoo! Okay, be safe out there. Don't get sick.